So we've converted this old chicken coop into the perfect little nursery. The A-frame style of it allows us to put shade cloth on it easily. It also keeps out all the squirrels and all the birds and things that might want to come and mess with our little baby trees. My little patch of heaven in here. Now, most of the things that are in here, most of the things I love to grow are pawpaws, which like their first 2 years to be shaded. Then, entering their third year, at about 18 inches or higher, they want full sun for best productivity. Now, one of the things I want to point out that's very important about growing pawpaws is that they have a deep taproot, very much like a nut tree, and should only be grown and only should be bought in very deep pots. 9 inches is a minimum. Really, 12 to 15 inches is more ideal, and that's for a tree that's only in its second year. So do not buy pawpaws in short little pots because their roots have already been compromised and the tree's health will always be less than it could be. This is only in its second year. I grafted it. You can see the graft union on here. So I took a rootstock, I took a seed, I grew the seed out, and then I took a cutting off of PA Golden in this case, and I grafted it on, and now they've melded together. So I have the strength of the rootstock, and I have this select variety now, the PA Golden on top. And I have a very nice deep tap root. So this is a very young, healthy tree. And look at that. Look, you see that root coming out already? This is only 2 years old, right? So a lot of times people are selling pots that are 4-inch, 6-inch, or maybe they're sold in a gallon, which is only 5 inches deep. Really, you want to be buying them in deep potted plants.